there. And he desired a family. God, who did not need anyone, he needed a family that would worship him. And so he created a great garden and put the family. But today, family is under attack. Family values are no longer being valued or esteemed anymore. Families have no honor anymore. Marriages are no longer an issue. You have seen many people are coming with all those philosophies of men marry men and women marry women, and we say no to that. Look across Africa. Conflicts are killing boy children. Illicit brew, drugs, and alcohol. Our sons have died. The entire Africa is full of widows. Kenya is full of widows. Wherever you go, I deal with widows. That is why I know that we are going, you go to a place which is small, and you want 500, you expect 500, they thousands. And that tells you, if you wanted 2,000, they come 6,000. 6,000 men have died. And we are silent.
Pastor Dorcas Rigabe, thank you so much for coming, and our fathers in the house.
Nasho county ya Tharaka Nithi.